Welcome back, kids. Guess what? My channel has a new name. This is now called Stories with a Martini. Why? Because my name is Stacey Martini. Get it? There are a lot of Stacey's out there, and I don't want you to miss out on the story time with me. Today, we are going to be reading one of my favorite books called Pigs Make Me Sneeze. Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Willems. Gerald! What do you want to do today? I want to, yes? What? A ball? A swim? A hat? Choo! Are you okay? I do not know. Choo! I cannot stop sneezing. Oh no. What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It's too late. Choo. Goodbye. Gerald? Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze, and Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great. Now cats make me sneeze too? No, I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I'm sick! Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, great news! I have a cold! Good for you. Thanks everyone for joining me. I hope you liked Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Willems.